Good morning, families. Today we're going to look at the buried shape activity on your OneNote. For this activity, you need some type of sensory material to hide shapes in. So like I said before, you can do rice, noodles. The activity actually mentions sand. Sometimes you could use the grass, the Easter grass. If you have some of that left over, that's a great filler for a bin. So you're gonna put all of your sensory material in a bin like this. And then you're gonna need different shapes. So I have just printed out some different shapes. I have triangle, circle, heart, square, and then you're gonna hide them in the sand or rice, and children are going to find them. And then once they find a shape, so I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna hide it in the rice right now. And when I work with children, a lot of times I tell them, okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna hide them, no peeking. And they like to close their eyes. And then when I've got them all hidden, then I say, okay, you can look now. They just think that's really fun. So I hid all the shapes in here. And then oftentimes I start the activity. I say, it's my turn. I'm going to go first. And if you have a child that has difficulty waiting, it might be helpful to print out that wait card that I initially put on the OneDrive for you. So they can hold this card while they're waiting for their turn. And so when I go first, I'll look, I'll find a shape, and I'll pull it out. And I'll say, oh, I see a circle. My circle is round. It goes around and around. Do you see a circle? Okay, look, it goes around. And then we would probably go ahead and start sorting by shape. And so I would have a sorting mat. Okay, put the circle on this paper. Now let's find another shape in here. Okay. Oh, it's your turn. What did you find? You found a triangle. Look at our triangle has long lines. It has 3 long lines. Where does the triangle go? And then put it on the sorting mat, the triangle sorting mat. And just keep going with that activity. This is the visual that I use with all of my students. And we just have this out. Some children really need this visual, but the guy is going, what, with a question mark? What shape do you see? What did you find? And if your child is still trying to formulate sentences, using that carrier phrase, I see a circle or I found a circle, is always really helpful for them. I love this activity because you also are working on that social skills, waiting and taking turns. So if you don't have another child at home that can play this game or use these materials with your child, then it's a great opportunity for you and as an adult to model how to do this activity with your child. If your child does have that IEP goal of sharing or taking turns with an adult or a peer, this is also a great activity. So you're also working on that shapes, the labeling and sorting by shape, and then turn taking with your child. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm gonna link these sorting mats on my OneDrive just in case you want to print them, but they are very simple to make on your own. You just get a piece of paper and draw whatever shape you are working on with your child. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.